Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla for those of you who don't know me, and this is Framed Interiors. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for all of the support, the love, the words of encouragement, the constructive feedback that you guys gave me from my last video. If you have not seen it, please pause and go check it out. It is a full tour of my apartment, and I felt that that video was super befitting to be the first one on my channel, because why dedicate an entire channel to home organization and decor and you don't even know what my space looks like. But to shift gears, I did allude in that video of showing you guys around my home and taking you into certain projects that I took on as deep dive organizational projects. I did mention more so my fridge and my pantry, but what inspired this closet organization video that we're gonna jump into today was actually my sister. I'm going over her house within the next few hours or so, and she needs help reorganizing her closet and kind of getting that part of her life together. And I felt like, well, I can't go over there and help someone if my life ain't together in my own closet space. So I felt like going in and just reorganizing everything that I had going on in my closet. I am very similar to my sister in the way that my closet is not only storage for my clothes, my shoes, and my accessories, but it's also storage for my keepsakes, sometimes other items like my records and my record player. All of those things kind of play a big part of my life, and I for some reason just keep them in my closet. So I wanted to make sure that I had designated spaces allocated for these things in my closet. So with that being said, I'm going to take you guys into the designing process, the budgeting process of this closet revamp of mine. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I wanted to do is kind of pinpoint what I wanted in the closet to be redone. And for me, it was the storage areas towards the back of my closet. I needed to make sure that I was maximizing that. So I was notorious for putting things in bags, having things all over the place. I don't really know why my closet was always so chaotic, but it was. So I mapped out having some cubbies, maybe some bins down at the bottom, and using the top part as place for my jewelry and for my accessories like my sunglasses and belts. So outside of that, of course, if I'm going to be revamping that, I wanted to revamp my hamper. My laundry hamper I've had since I was in college. It's nice, it's great, it's felt, and it's quite sizable, but it started to look a little dingy, and it wasn't really going with the overall aesthetic and the tones that I wanted in my closet space. So I did purchase a new hamper, along with some jewelry, organization, and display stands and items. So the two big heavy hitters that I went to in terms of stores to purchase these items were the Container Store and Target. I know what you are probably thinking, oh my god, the Container Store is expensive, you know, you can't really get the best bang for your buck there. For the most part, that can be true. It can be a little bit pricey, but I always buy things at Container Store on a discount. So the two major items that I bought from the Container Store were all jewelry, display, and organization related. I got a jewelry stand and a geometric shape to hold my rings, watches, and earrings. These items typically trend around $20 a piece. I got them at half price. Both of those, tax included, for like $26. So I'll be sure to link the description box below those particular items because they're on sale. Just timing, luck of the draw. So outside of that, at Target, I got my cubby spaces. They really kind of were a little expensive. The cubbies that I originally scoped for this project were $60 and $70 a piece, and I was not paying that. No, I was not paying that, I'm sorry. So what I did was I did a little bit more research, and I actually invested in a shoe display. It had adjustable shelves. It was $30 for the stand. So $60 for two pieces, yes. $60 for one, no. I'm just not doing it. So I got those. I got the felt bins to go down at the bottom. They were a perfect size. Target had them ranging anywhere from $5 to $10, just depending on the size that you're looking for and the design. So I'm pretty sure you can find whatever it is that you'd like to make your space your own. And then of course I got a new hamper. That was like $10, so that was pretty inexpensive. And some pieces up at the top that were all from Target. The beautiful thing about this particular Target run for me was Cartwheel members got an additional 5 to 10% off just for shopping on that day. And I was able to take advantage of that. So I got all of these items for 15% off of their regular market or sale price, which was pretty astronomical. So I'll be sure to link how to become a Cartwheel member if you're not a Cartwheel member down below, along with all of the items that I purchased as well. When you get into the video, you'll see kind of a really weird before. This is a very transparent video, so please do not judge, but the before and after of my closet space, you'll see my friend Susie in there helping me out. Hey Susie girl. She was there as a beacon of support and kind of helped me gear my mind to what I wanted in that design space. There's a lot of greenery. There's some baby's breath in my closet, which is baby's breath is not fragrant, but the greenery that I got was pretty fragrant. It keeps my closet smelling nice and fresh, and it feels very open and airy to me. So she did put together those arrangements, which I'm super thankful for. But you'll see that on top of the cubby space, I actually put all of my accessories in their little baskets, in respective baskets or bins, and I also put a mirror. This was Susie's idea because I was kind of teeter-tottering back and forth between putting a mirror or just a picture frame, and I'm super happy I selected a mirror because I put my shoes on most of the time in my closet, and I'm usually sitting on my floor when I do it or on my poof. So me being level with that stand is pretty common for me, so having a mirror there just to double check if my earrings are on or how they look or how I look with my accessories is actually of essence. So I encourage you doing that. You can kind of configure it in a different way and kind of have fun with it, but I am absolutely obsessed with the result. I am inspired now. It feels like I'm going into my closet and I'm shopping, and it doesn't feel like a burden or a chore to go in there. It's awesome. So I really hope you enjoy it and find it super impactful. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I appreciate all of the support and all of the love that you guys have been pouring into this project. This is really big deal for me, and I'm just super happy people are being positively impacted by these videos. Outside of that, please be sure to follow me on all of my social media. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at The Daily K, and I will be linking all of that down below. I hope you enjoy